We have the oldest constitutional right in the world.
Y'all know what the tape is for, right? Hold up the window. gotta take that clip off the back when you get that window out per directions.
I'll try to find this fucking oil filter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just rip me off some. Every piece I took out.
Make sure y'all tape that window up, man. I think this is the wrong fucking part. I don't care how many times you flip it, the wrong part is the wrong part. But we gonna keep wrenching. Alright, y'all, I'm pulling out this Promaster. As y'all can see, they bought me the wrong window regulator. They bought me that side instead of this side. So as y'all can see, I'm gonna leave everything here until we get the regulator. But the piece I was fighting with is this piece here. In the back of that window, you gotta compress these two together, which releases the window from the regulator. So that's what I was fighting with. It's not that bad once you get a good grip on it, but at first I didn't even know I was supposed to do this. So I was, I was trying to figure out what the hell was holding that regulator in, because the top half came off, but the bottom half didn't. But they printed me out a little printout to show me what the fuck to do. So then I seen it. So you gotta, like I said, compress these two together, and the bottom half of that regulator will pop out, will allow the window to come off. So yeah, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.